Hey everyone, Ali here. So I wanted to talk about something that is not necessarily in everyone's mind because it's summertime and it's exciting and we're all getting ready to sort of enjoy our summer after a crazy winter that most of the country had, which is your lease renewal, right? Now this applies obviously at any time of the year, but especially in the summer, it can be something we forget about. So what am I talking about? Many of you have signed usually a 5-year lease with 1 or 2 5-year options, or maybe you signed a 10-year lease with a couple of 5-year options. Every one of those options usually has a time frame by which you need to exercise it if you want to stay in that location beyond, after your lease expires. So if you miss that timeline, okay, if you miss that timeline, the landlord's not required to lease the space to you. Okay, so what happens? One of 3 things is happening right now. Okay, the first is that landlords are using it as an opportunity to basically change the tenant. So they kick you out and then they put another doctor in that space, right? And they can charge more from that doctor than they were charging you most likely. Why? Because it's a built out office, right? Whether you're a dentist, an optometrist, a veterinarian, it doesn't matter. It's a built out office. So that's one. The second thing that could happen is that they now have leverage on you to increase your rent even more than they would have otherwise. So this could be more than fair market value. This could be exorbitantly more than your normal 3 to 5%. So keep that in mind. The third thing, okay, is something that's happening a lot, but it's it's kind of slowed down a little bit with the economy cooling, but it's still happening in various parts of the country, which is that the landlords are redeveloping the space, right? So what they're doing is they're kicking you out and redeveloping it, building apartments and doing other things, which doesn't even give you or anybody else the opportunity to be in that space. So all in all, the tip is go look at your lease or send it to me and I'm happy to review it for you for free and just tell you exactly what your timelines are so that you know when you have to exercise your option. Please do not miss your option, okay? Hugely important. Thanks.